Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I was recently contacted by ModelOnes to see if I would like to review some of their gel polishes. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the Smoothie collection of gel polishes. So a big thank you to ModelOnes for sending me these gel polishes to review. As always, you can find where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. The Smoothie collection arrived in this absolutely stunning box. I love pretty packaging and this screams expensive. It's just simply gorgeous. I love it. So on the back there is a list of the polishes. It also has information on the gel polishes that they are UV and LED and that they are soak off as well. These are 10ml bottles, which is a really good size, and that this is a 7-piece set. It also has other attention details as well. So opening up the box, and inside there is another sheet of information which has use of directions, some contact details and notes to remember by. Now, how beautiful are these bottles? I have never ever seen gel bottles like this before with the wooden lids. These are so unique. They're just brilliant. Each gel bottle has a cutout holding place in the bottom of the box, which makes them a really tight fit and that there is no movement going on at all. The whole box presentation of this is just brilliant. Each bottle has the wooden lid, which then sits nicely on top of the square bottle. There is a little information on the back along with a sticker on the bottom, and then on the side of each bottle there is a colour swatch and the gel polish name, and this one is called Cranberry and it's a beautiful deep red. It will be great for full nails. All of the gel polishes are a really thick consistency. They're the thickest that I have ever used. Next we have mint, and this is a really pretty mint. The consistency of them is all the same, and mint will be great for some spring floral nails. I'm excited to try this one. Next we have cherry, and this is what I call a deep raspberry pink and will probably become one of my favourites. I love a deep raspberry coloured nail. They are just stunning. Next we have orange, and as by its name, it's a beautiful orange colour. For me, this is a very wearable orange. It's not too bright, which is a good thing. Next we have lemonade, which is a pretty yellow. Again, this is a wearable colour. It's not bright and I'm excited to try both the yellow and the orange. Next we have blueberry, and this is a stunning dark blue. I can sort of see a slight purple undertone to this, and I almost want to say that it's a blurple colour. It's not quite though. And then finally we have blueberry raspberry, which is a very pretty light blue. I was unsure what colour this was going to be by its name, but it is just beautiful. So 7 very pretty colours, and I'm really excited to see these swatch now. I've got 7 pop sticks which I'll be swatching onto. I also have a top coat which I'll be applying at the end. But as I always do with my gel polish swatches, I'll be doing 7 off camera at the same time, and I'll be using a matte top coat for them, just so we can see what they're like glossy versus matte. ModelOnes do have base and top coats. I just don't have any at the moment. So straight into swatching, and I'm going to start with cranberry. Now the lid might take a little bit of getting used to, but just check out that coverage on that first layer. That is beautiful. So for curing, I'm going to give this a 30-second to start with and see how it goes. The directions say 30 to 60 seconds for UV and LED and 2 minutes for just UV, and that has cured really well. So I'll just apply the second coat and I'll cure that layer as well. These are highly pigmented gel polish, as that is fully opaque in 2 coats. Beautiful. Moving on to mint, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. Now with pastels and light colours, they can be a little bit patchy in places, but the way that this is covering the nail, it is such a pretty colour. There is a little patchiness going on in places, but a second coat will more than likely cover this. Now with these being highly pigmented polishes, I do sometimes cure them for a little longer, so I actually changed to curing for 60 seconds instead of the 30. But I love a good mint colour polish, it is just beautiful to use. Next we have cherry. For me, I wish these lids gave me the options to remove them and just have normal lids, as I'm finding them a little in my way when applying the polish. Now this whole set is $44, which works out to be about $6-7 a bottle, which I personally think is amazing value for money for getting 7 highly pigmented gel polishes inside such a pretty box. It will make an amazing gift for somebody for a birthday or Christmas, and there is 5 sets to choose from, including this one. Definitely worth a purchase. Next we have orange, and just look at that coverage. That's just brilliant for an orange. I'm absolutely blown away with these gel polishes, to be fair. This is the first time I'm using them. They actually arrived about half an hour before I started filming. Now unfortunately I can't use my normal bottle lid swatches that I do for them, they just won't fit. But this swatch is what I call a 1.5 coats, as the second is just to quickly go over the top again, just to make sure it is fully covered. But it's amazing though. Next we have lemonade. Now with yellows, these can be another colour that can be patchy as well, and even though this layer looks perfect, there is some patchiness going across the nail. Now sometimes I do like to do 3 coats, but I'm not sure with this one. It does sort of remind me though of custard or a banana. So off camera, after I had done the 2 coats, I went and applied a third, which completely made it fully opaque in colour. However, I hit the top of the lamp, which I was so annoyed about, and it's left a whacking grit dent right in the top, so I will do another one later on. Next we have blueberry. Now I will be doing some manis on Bethany, my silicone hand, to show these beautiful gel polishes off with some nail art as well. I have quite a few stamping plate swatch reviews coming up that actually need manis and they need base coats, so these will work perfectly for them. So make sure you're following my Instagram, as that is where they will be put, but they also will feature in other videos as well. But I think this blueberry is going to be a firm favourite for me, especially if it's teamed with cherry as well. But again, the coverage is just amazing though. And then finally we have blueberry raspberry. One thing I do really like is how glossy they are, even before top coating. They have to be some of the best gel polishes I've worked with so far. They do sort of remind me of the Your Sugar gel polishes, but they're quite a bit thicker though. So if you have them, I can guarantee you'll love these. You'll also be seeing these swatches in some stamping plate reviews as well really soon. I'm excited to get these into my swatching box. But these are some very stunning and very easy to work with gel polishes. So as I said earlier off camera, I've redone the yellow and it looks so much better now without the dents that I put into it. So I'm now going to apply a layer of gel top coat to each nail. I've already done the light blue as there wasn't room on my stand. And I'll just be curing these for 60 seconds. I definitely want to try the ModelOnes base coat and top coat. So the lamp that I've been using in this video is my Sun 5 48 watt UV and LED lamp, and as I said earlier, I changed the colour layers that I cured from 30 seconds to 60 seconds. So I've put the gel polishes back into the box. I will be keeping them in them even when they go into my drawers. The glossy ones are now all finished and looking absolutely fantastic. And I've also turned a set matte as well, and they are looking extra fab. So I'm using each of these top coats as I showed earlier, and this is cranberry, glossy and matte, and I think I prefer it glossy. Not sure, definitely need to do a mani to definitely decide with this one. Then this is mint, and it has to be hands down matte for me, but they both do look very good though. And this is cherry. Again, I'm not sure. I think it's because I like how they both look. Again, I can't wait to see a mani using this colour. And then we have orange, and I think it's the matte for this colour. For me, it screams Halloween nails, which I can't wait to use for. And then we have lemonade, and again, I like both, but it's got to be the matte. I'm really excited to add these colours to my swatching box. I really can't wait. Then we have blueberry, and I think it's the glossy for me, but this will definitely be a fantastic colour for Christmas nails and snowflakes. Brilliant colour though. And then finally we have blueberry raspberry, and I definitely can't pick between these. They both look absolutely amazing. I've so enjoyed using these gel polishes, and I can't wait to go further along with them. They just are fantastic. So all of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis in the next coming weeks. A massive thank you to ModelOnes for sending me these stunning gel polishes to review. Make sure you check out their Instagram page as well as mine. There is links to both in the description box below. Thank you for watching my swatch review on the Smoothie collection of gel polishes from ModelOnes. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.